There, it's a quick repair video. I had this amplifier in to fix from a friend of mine, so I'm not going to get paid for doing it. But it's a realistic MPA 100. Realistic was of course Tandy in the UK. Now it's probably 30 odd years old, but it looks like a decent amplifier. 100 watts a channel and solidly built. You know, nice big heat sinks, whatever. And the symptoms were the right channel didn't work. I thought, well, you know, usual thing will be is output transistors get blown up. That's the most common fault, especially the way this guy treats stuff. You know, he runs it full power for hours on end. Anyway, I checked it, and yeah, it didn't work on the right channel, and occasionally the relay protection circuit would come in, not all the time though. So I checked on the output on the right channel, and there was a sort of floating voltage around -2 volts, but occasionally it would drop down, and occasionally it would go up. So you know, I went, had a look around inside, took the whole right channel board out, connected it to my external power supply. The internal supply is plus or minus 55 volts. So I connected to plus or minus 30 volts on my power supply, and it drew absolutely no current whatsoever, which is a bit mysterious. So I went round and I checked every transistor in it. They all tested fine. The output transistors tested fine. So I was a bit mystified, and I was poking around and trying to find damage to the board. No damage, quite clean underneath the board was. So also it's got this on the output connector, it's got, which goes to the left board, is a speaker output, but also it's got this orange wire which is protection circuitry. Now that's a mystery, because there's no, I've no idea what should be on that wire. Can't get any information off the internet, no schematics, nothing at all. So, you know, I was a bit stumped for a while, but I resorted to checking the resistors in it, and eventually I found one that had gone high. I'm trying to find it. It's this one here. Now this should be, if it focuses, this should be a 27k. Now when I measured it on the meter, it's reading about 10 megohms at the moment. That's just me touching the probes, but anyway, it gone basically high. So it's 27k, roughly a watt I should say. I didn't have anything like that, so I stuck a 1/4 watt in there just to test it, and it worked. It started working fine again. So what I've done now is I've stuck in that one there, which is a 30k. That's the nearest I could get, and it seems to work fine with that. So I just turn it on, and the relay's just clicked in. If we go over to the oscilloscope, I'm putting in 1 kilohertz. Turning the lights off. If I crank up the volume, we get to okay, it's clipping there, and that's 31.9 volts. Right, RMS into 8 ohms. I'm on an 8 ohm load. If I do a quick calculation, 0.9 squared. That's 127 watts. Let's just check that again. Yeah, it's about 31 volts. So it's way over its 100 watt rating into 8 ohms. And that's about the end of the video, really, I think. Glad I fixed it, and it didn't cost much. And it didn't cost me anything, basically, just a bit of time. So I'm sure he'll be happy with it. He won't care. It's got the wrong resistor in there, and it seems to work fine. As long as it's working, that's all he'll care about. So that's the end of the video.